Introduction to Goal Setting. You are welcome, learner. In this session of goal setting and prioritization, we begin by exploring the foundational concept of goal setting. Goal setting is the process of defining clear, specific objectives that you aim to achieve within a designated time frame. This module is a crucial building block for effective time management because it establishes the purpose and direction of your efforts. So let's understand why this topic is so important with some examples on importance of goal setting. 1. Clarity and focus. In the context of time management, setting clear goals provides a roadmap for your tasks and activities. It allows you to identify what truly matters and where to allocate your time. For example, if you're a project manager, setting a goal to complete a specific project phase within 2 weeks helps you focus on the essential tasks and avoid time-wasting activities. 2. Motivation and commitment. Time management can be challenging without motivation and commitment. Goals provide the why behind your efforts, making tasks more meaningful. For example, if you're a student, a goal like earn a scholarship for academic excellence can serve as a strong motivator to manage your time effectively for studying. 3. Measurable progress. Effective time management involves tracking your progress toward your goals. Measurable goals enable you to assess how well you're doing. For example, in a work context, if your goal is to increase your client base by 20% in a quarter, you can track your progress by monitoring the number of new clients acquired. 4. Time allocation. Goal setting helps you to allocate your time strategically. It ensures that you devote the right amount of time to tasks that contribute to your overall objectives. For example, if you're an entrepreneur, setting a goal to launch a new product within 3 months guides your time allocation, allowing you to allocate resources and efforts effectively. 5. Alignment with priorities. Effective time management is about aligning your actions with your priorities. Goals act as a compass, helping you make decisions that align with your objectives. For example, if one of your key priorities is work-life balance, setting a goal to spend quality time with family each week ensures that you allocate time accordingly. 6. Accountability. Goal setting holds you accountable for your actions. It sets standards for performance and encourages commitment. For example, if your goal is to complete a certification course, you're accountable to yourself to follow a study schedule and meet milestones. 7. Enhanced decision-making. Goals aid in decision-making by providing a framework for evaluating choices. You can assess which options align best with your objectives. For example, if you're a manager, having a goal to improve team productivity helps you decide whether to invest in new software tools to streamline tasks. In summary, within the context of goal setting and prioritization course, goal setting is the foundation upon which effective time management is built. It provides the direction, motivation, and structure needed to make the most of your time and efforts. As you progress through this module, you'll gain practical skills for setting and prioritizing goals effectively, enabling you to manage your time more efficiently and achieve your desired outcomes. Thanks for watching our video. Do you want to attend a full course with a certificate? Enroll at www.a1skills.com or else subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as the remaining course will be uploaded. You will get a notification. Happy learning!
Join A1skills.com, developing skills beyond education.